So this is the second part of the intermittent fasting video. So you've got the first meal there, and this is meal number 2. Let's make it a quick one because I know the video is pretty long already. Alright, so my wonderful girlfriend sitting right over here, all blowed out, it has made a dal. Yes, that doesn't look too good there, but I've warmed up a little section of it, and we all know that dal doesn't always look the best, but it tastes absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's my next part there. I'm going to have, you can see there, probably about that much rice. So my hand, yeah, I'll put 2 cups of dried rice into this. That's made a shit ton of rice. And yeah, I'll probably have of dry rice maybe 3/4 of a cup, and then yeah, that's a fair bit of dal. I'll probably eat a little bit more than that when I get home. We're going to take this out to the hill and just have a dinner outside. So yeah, I'm going to fill this up probably right to the top. That much rice, I don't know how much that is, 3/4 of a dry cup, and that ton of dal. So yeah, that's my dinner.